Hello friends! In this review we will test 3 cables of the Orico brand, the production of which has really amazing quality. The first one is the USB cable with the length of half a meter, the second one has the length of 1 meter, and the third one is 1 meter Type-C cable. Let's start the test. This is the load. 0.6 amps, 1 amp, 2 amps. 1 amp load, 0.97 amps, 5 volts, and 2 amp load, 4.8 volts, 1.9 amps. The result is excellent. Let's test another cable. 5 volts, 0.7 amps, 5 volts, 0.9 amps, almost 1 amp, 4.8 volts, 1.8 amps. For 1 meter it's okay. And in order to test this Type-C one, I will use the Type-C to USB converter. The quality is also excellent. Very good plastic here and very good cable. We should take into consideration the resistance of this connector, as we don't use this cable directly. 5 volts, 0.7 amps. 4.9 volts, 0.9 amps, 1 amp, and 4.6 volts, 1.9 amps. So the result anyway is excellent. So after testing of some Orico devices, I can highly recommend the production of this company. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.